Hello and welcome to the small guide on IAS preparation. The first step to execute while starting out with your IAS preparation is that you should start preparing for IAS at least 10 to 12 months in advance before the next prelim. So, for instance, let's say that you are going to attend the prelims in 2012. So, you should start preparing for prelims in June 2011. This will give you adequate time to cover the syllabus in hand, to practice what you have learned, to take up a test series in order to gain mastery of the IAS syllabus. The second and very important step is to get hold of the previous 5 years solved question paper set and the IAS syllabus. These two books are very important when you begin your IAS preparation. Let's see the importance of these two books in the next step. Now you should refer to the question papers before and after reading any topic. Let's say you're starting out with the India's freedom struggle. Now before starting out with this, the Indian freedom struggle topic in modern Indian history of paper 1 of pre, first refer to the previous 5 years papers that have been previous 5 years questions that have been asked on modern Indian history. Then after that, read through the study material, a book, whatever. And after reading that, again refer to the previous 5 years papers. So this will help you to know which are your strong areas, which topics you covered, which you left out, which you need to cover again. This will also enable you to correct course easily and midway instead of waiting right till the end when it might just be too late. Another important step in your IAS preparation is to refer one good newspaper daily, one current affairs magazine, maybe a fortnightly magazine or maybe a monthly magazine, and you should refer only standard books and notes. No need to refer books that are just new in the market, recommended by your colleagues, by your friends. So you just rush to buy that book even if it may not be necessary for you, and to amass, let's say, 3 or 4 coaching classes notes when you just require one good notes. That's it. As far as the newspaper, I would recommend the Hindu, which is a very good newspaper. If you don't have the Hindu, then go with the Indian Express. Both of these papers are very good. As far as current affairs magazines, Civil Services Chronicle or Pratyogita Darpan or even Wizard. These three are the good ones in that order. You can even refer Frontline, which is good actually from the mains point of view, but for prelims, these three magazines which I have mentioned, these are very good ones. Then you should routinize your day to cover the IAS syllabus within a very short time. Routinizing means every day you should, let's say, read the newspaper for 1 hour, then decide to devote a certain amount of time to paper 1 and to paper 2 daily. Let's say you give 4 hours to paper 1, paper 4 hours to paper 2. Within that 4 hours, you finish off one full section, let's say Indian polity, within a certain allotted time. So you read Indian polity for 4 hours a day until you cover it, and you go with logical reasoning for paper 2 for 4 hours until you cover that entirely. This will also help you to balance both paper 1 syllabus as well as paper 2, and also routinizing helps you to cover the syllabus much faster because you're that much more consistent. Finally, you should learn to prepare micro notes for quick revision. These are very important. Your long notes you might be having, but out of the long notes, out of the books that you are referring, the magazines, the newspapers that you're reading, learn to prepare, take down notes, small notes on flip cards, on a register or on a notebook that you can just refer with before the prelims and even during the break between the two papers during the prelims exam. This will help you to quickly recollect all the information, because only by you might have studied for the entire year, but if you are not able to recollect the information just when it is required at the right time, it is of no use. These micro notes will help.